As the president prepared to face the nation for the annual State of the Union, Tuesday, Democrats called for the president to face Americans living with pre-existing conditions.
Jonathan is from the Bronx, and he was born with congenital heart defects.
Healthcare is personal. It's not political.
Michigan Democrat Debbie Stabenow says if the president is serious about protecting Americans' health care, he needs to support reforms and drop his lawsuit to repeal the Affordable Care Act.
We spent all of our time and energy fighting for her life.
Andrea Petrowski is a Michigan mother whose daughter lives with a rare heart condition. She says covering pre-existing conditions is a matter of life and death.
I fear without the ACA and the protections that children like my daughter, children with complex medical needs and disabilities, would be discriminated against.
Right now, the Trump administration is fighting to overturn the Affordable Care Act in the courts. If they win, they say they want to replace it with a cheaper option.
I will work with President Trump if he will help us lower the cost of prescription drugs, if he will drop this lawsuit.
Congressman Debbie Dingell says she's eager to get health reform done, something she assured her late husband, former Congressman John Dingell.
I lived with a man who made me promise I'd never stop fighting to ensure that every American had access to affordable, quality health care.
Democrats say they've passed nearly a dozen bills to expand access and lower costs to health care, but each one is being blocked by the GOP-controlled Senate. In Washington, Raquel Martin.